Hello, Nick, Thomas, again, MHR Offroad. Today, the company has sent us a hitch recovery and soft shackle recovery system that we're gonna do an unboxing and first impressions of.
I'm excited.
Yeah.
Get the box.
All right, so this company is called INDUST. I thought it was Industries.
That is what it says.
Yeah.
Bunker INDUST. Okay. Soft shackle with hitch receiver.
All right.
All right. So, guys, this is one of those things that you hope you never need, but when you do need it, you want it to be good, quality, reliable, and you want to have it with you.
All right, so let's see what comes in this box.
Yeah.
So, padding. So, oh, I didn't realize they sent you a pin. And it's coated. Wow. I actually kind of like that. Here's the soft shackle. Comes with a sleeve already on it. Soft shackle, you know, here it is. And here is the hitch receiver. Actually looks pretty nice. All right.
So one of the first things I noticed, if you're like me and you might not have that many brain cells, you may be thinking that doesn't work. But upon further inspection, it looks like if you pull it out, it is adjustable. So that'll get the loop big enough. So don't be like me. But that's my first, that's what I noticed first. So I was confused.
So this actually goes in your standard 2-inch receiver hitch.
Yeah, what I like about it is, you know, if you're recovering from someone, you've got a nice, robust, I mean, this is heavy duty feeling for sure. You've got a fixed, safe recovery point to pull from. So I like that.
And these soft shackles, they're becoming way more common and popular in today's off-roading era.
Yeah, you know, everyone's concerned about being safe these days. So these are a lot safer. You know, if you pull a metal recovery like a D-ring, you know, if you reach its breaking point, it's going to break and send shrapnel everywhere and hurt or possibly even unalive somebody. So this, if it fails for whatever reason, you're safe. It's just really, I don't see this hurting anybody like a D-ring.
Well, we're going to go swap this in and actually upgrade Thomas's old system, so we'll see how it all fits.
Yep, let's do it. All right, so back of the Bronco, we're going to go ahead and switch my old recovery point out. So I've had this D-ring style for years and I've used it, but it's always concerned me under a heavy load that it's gonna come apart, hurt someone, kill someone, you know, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch it out with this new soft shackle. So, I mean, it should be pretty easy if you already have a hitch set up. Pull your pin out, pull it out, and then we're gonna take our new guy, which this is actually somewhat lighter. Now I know I have the D-ring on here, but there is a weight difference there. So we're gonna slide her in, and if you notice, it does have multiple mounting holes. So I guess if you need it to be a little further out or further in, you can adjust it as needed. So take the pin out, slide that one in, put your cotter pin in, and bam, your hitch is mounted. That went in very easy. Got a little bit of play, but I think it was honestly the same as my old one. So, slide this guy in, and we hook it through. Bam, looks like we're ready to go. That was easy. So we're gonna be putting this thing to use while we're out and about on our adventures and trails. If you guys are interested in checking this product out, check the link in the description as always. Other than that, I've got nothing else. We'll see you guys out on the trail.